you, baby. I just want
consider this an invitation to my gangster nation.
This game right here is rough as fuck. These hoes out here about the bucks. These hoes out here will break the bus. I have no fear, we pray to what? And with my peers, I'm coming up. Fools talk real loud, but don't run up. When we come through, they run and duck. We still right here, so what the fuck?
Nigga, I'm tired of these niggas barking that shit, talking that shit from the concrete, but ain't talking that shit. And videos in the bitch pose in the throwback, holding the gat, ain't gon' bust and know that. It's a dub SC thing, dub C brain. And we don't fuck with niggas in khaki G strings. Fuck moving, I'm clearing the crowd. It's that who banking bandana, criminal now, the original.
Evacuate the building, bitch, here come a plane. No, it's the mad ass West Side Connect gang. And fuck with
what's wrong with my mind, what's come over me. I thought I saw your face, wearing your smile, dimple on the side. What's come over me? What's come over me? What's come over me? What's come over me? What's wrong with my ears? They're deceiving me. I thought I heard you speak, calling my name. I must be insane.
That ain't her, man. You bullshit. I was 10th grade sophomore, she was in the 12th. She used to call me childish cause on her booty I felt. It was big, it was bouncy, it was soft yet firm. That's why I went to school, I wasn't trying to learn. I never got my turn, she never gave me a chance. I used to daydream of taking off those chick jean pants at the high school dance. She just let it all hang, booting it over, making that ass swing. The DJ was from New Orleans, the music was hype. She got loose all night, I think the juice was spiked. I was high as a kite, I thought the time was right to ask her for a dance. She say, nah, that's alright. I played it off, walked back across the floor. Fuck that hoe, didn't wanna see her no more. But 150 pounds and 10 years later, seen her at the grocery store. She tryna holler at her. She used to be so fine to me. Now she's fat to the most. That hoe is huge. That's a big old beat. She used to be so fine to me. I tried to run, I tried to duck, but I couldn't get away. She was wide as fuck. She asked me for a hug. I buried my face between her titties, but all I could think about was how she used to bullshit me. Back in the day when she was cheerleading, they was fine, but all that screaming had my ears bleeding. I was concentrating on her though. Them pretty eyes, them pretty ass, them pretty titties, and them pretty thighs. But nah, she's a hefty heifer. Seems like everything on her body just melted together. But it wasn't no thing, gave her my number.
Step right up. From the east to the west, from the north to the south. Sign up right here. Your scheduled membership to the drinking club.
Every man has a place. In his heart there's a space. And the world can't erase its fantasy. Kick the ride in the sky. On a ship fantasize. All your dreams will come true. Miles away. And we will live together until the 12th of never. Our voices will reach.
It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. My brother's doing bad, stole my mother's TV. Says she watches too much, it's just not healthy. All my children in the daytime, Dallas at night. Can't even see the game or the Sugar Ray fight. The bill collectors, they ring my phone and scare my wife when I'm not home. Got a bum education, double-digit inflation. Can't take the train to the job, there's a strike at the station. Me on King Kong, standing on my back, can't stop to turn around. Broke my sacroiliac, a mid-range migraine, cancer membrane. Sometimes I think I'm going.
Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Niggas wanna try, niggas wanna lie, then niggas wonder why. Niggas wanna die, all I know is pain, all I feel is rain. How can I maintain with that shit on my brain? I resort to violence, my niggas moving silence like you don't know what our style is. New York niggas the wildest, my niggas is with it. You want it? Come and get it. Took it, then we split it. You fucking right, we did it. What the fuck you gon' do when we run up on you? Fucking with the wrong crew, don't know what we gon'
can turn a gray sky blue. You see, I can make it rain when I want to. I can build a castle from a single grain of sand. Yeah. You see, I can make a ship sail on dry land, children. Yeah. On a happy mind with all the power.
LA Leakers.
G-Mix.
Yeah, you know what it is. Purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot. That's not reppin' my town. When you see me, you know everything. Purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow.
Kendrick Lamar, the winner's minds, a winner grinds. In the midst of the darkest night, damn right, I'm still gon' shine. I'm Christian Bale, snitch on
drugs and girls. Show me some love, my love. Last time I checked, you love my love. Place nothing above my love. If you leave, come back like above your butts. No ifs, ands, or buts. You're sufficient, but I still wanna fill you up. Just when you thought enough was enough, I'm a kid in a museum and I just wanna touch every part of your body. Tie you up and get naughty.
Hold me up in this potty. High power money showers. All the ladies wanna kick it with Mr. Miyagi. Pull up, bring it back, come rewind. I wanna touch up and down your spine. A perfect 10 living on cloud 9.
Faded off life. See the dope man trying to get right. Open up a Bud Light. Down Julio Coronas, comas. Bad bitches. Calling bad bitches, bring your friend to be a witness.
Love runs high.
Whatever that mean. Need a shot, you the vaccine. You pumping through my veins, I'm a crack fiend. Yeah, the crack. Drive your ass all night, meet the chauffeur.
Up and you're over, in a Rover, it's over. Never sober, my cup running over.
Love runs high.
Better put the whoop on them.
Ice Cube, aka
Put the
Don
whoop
Mega,
on them.
aka Papa John,
Put the whoop on them.
aka the Big Fish,
Put the whoop on them.
aka Brainiac.
Keep it gangster, y'all. Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster, y'all. Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster, y'all. Keep it gangster.
All my life.
Keep it gangster, y'all. Keep it gangster.
All my life.
Everything is real on this concrete and steel. Niggas peel your cap for a happy meal. I got to deal with this ball of confusion, world of illusions. We ain't losing, player, we's winning. Praying every night when we sending paper chasing, grinning. While you still chasing women, round tables, no lieutenants. You your own man, grown. It's Ice Cube and the Family Stone. Breaking bread every night in LA. And I pray for one more day, that's Sunday. It's 90 degrees, no enemies in sight. Even the Don got to fall to his knees every night. Can I get 24 more hours without dealing with these killers and these cowards? I don't wanna lose, all I wanna do is win. I fucked up today, can I try it again? I'm loving every breath like a cold sip of soda while I'm banking down these back streets. Thanks for looking over. Damn show nice to know ya. Fuck a 4-leaf clover. And thanks for this Range Rover. We gets down with this underground gangster shit. Politicians and parents always having a fit.